Everything for high juicy news. Mema Obibia Kwaba. I had the latest hot and Aremeyaw Bremo. And we so we can subscribe to channel area. Bomodian say obe subscribe. Robeyan say obe click a year the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand video for free be upload with the first person once ebeka. Yes, video. Afenyo we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here. Na ensem dodo na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanu afi yemura ye ensem a abeto yepono so yinti eye sa report ya ababetu je sankomo yimuma yinti
Dr. Makoba wa homa no so enkane na oye pani a woda ahyeya na senkrabata a ehwe amanyosem adesua ho sam so ewo KNUST yebedi nkoma kakra dia fansam ahodo ekoso ewo Chief Justice so beko so nko so beba so ma processes aye ni nyina ho ena afen so no ebinum kyerese ne lawyer kofa no eye owura Godfred dame ye nkane former attorney general Chief Justice ni na ye adwuma so many years one no akwese womnim wom hu yie pa no enye the best choice and the wise choice decision wom fa ye so obeye no se oye nsem bebre ewo ho ena ye kasa kura no ankwankwa bi nso Ako petition and aside the in some akokoto General Legal Council for anim say owura Godfred dame so ban bi a wada na die ewo jakpa ene owura Ato Forson senie ni mu some ahodo bi ekoba nyina no and sem fata che say a good hu fi nti on sem fata kora say obegina say lawyer ni nti ye bedi hu so say Dr. Makoba waben ewo hu nim de pa ye wura ye do asipi ema achimo akwaba aba UTV so na no pay
mesme damase
that's papa no womre what that woman yen sha sem fafiri baby e medi baby a bebeduri ebra Chief Justice nsami esore ye no e kame ase nipa bebre kasa wo mo kan say mampani anama wotuo no emoa ebinu krakra say the judiciary is under attack and nyam sama wodo bebre times wo mo use the bebre bisre wo processes a mampani enamu e de this adwuma nyina no wo a waben ewo sa chihye mu no anye bia efumso bi ewo baabi
o me dem hu bi kra Mr. Omo kasa no so kasa mo a on kasa afjuru nkunye wa dwuren matches asema wo kana eye ana se enye nti omo patche se so obeye Chief Justice a onye boni ana on patche na nti de obeye bia na o se jawo sanity baby so say obi si wa ye boni a wa report to president ebi abako pepo anka president o take action. But when you are no also the constitution say go for council of state. No more so unfair. Also, I should say I'm probably a baby or more more. Who no interest or default. Who should not one who fear as the BBN Asa. That's something saying. When the Howie the Bonibia anywhere, or my wife of Bonibia shower and as I say. It tells a cry. And the president and near Bonibia, and if I saw no number. Now, then say. The constitution MOB why say otime bibia na say sade no oye na French say the constitution kan wa putin che no obiara no abetumo ntimi ko sue no so de no court what I say na che so wo sue constitution no e bia wa dwene say bia constitution that the baby eye no o ma njuro yi sara pese o ka na sa sam na ye sa sam na pese o ka so a time say ne ka no constitutional review and Mukokas answer. And your court, I only charge you so I be. So, and then you cry, or Chief Justice, and so I'm making or some called Nimta, never a veteran. So, we elementary. After I day, when Nim started in book.
Yes, sure, one more idea, some local court to say, and I'm one penituning, and yen reinstate Chief Justice, you know. Ama Ghana Bar Association for so ekomu meeting no omo so I can say they are instructing na say bia wo mo chairman pani say or reinstate Chief Justice no so say they will see can say me pick bibi di free mu dia na wo mo a e kasa say me no eye nimu na wo mo nimu say de omo ye no constitution no na bia omo sorry dey tia ana say e bia omo nim na mo no wo mo ka bi say na be obi ba dwen say bia ana so bi be fa ne say anye hwe kra no ye ni nyina na ewa adwumakuo mu nti no adwumakuo ba ko mu nti no ese ye ka bi ma no
ye ka bi ma no wo ho but anya no nko a we dey acquire party some so because na do na yi Chief Justice and the Chief Justice answer you know or dom NPP dada so and I say be a court in some no politics bi wo mu contract bi wo mu basbasa bi wo mu nipa bi mpese ba bonten so nti e ko yini fi o se asase maba nti kwan bi a be fa so a be ma na atra ho no o se eboa no. The other thing is political parties no they say parliament could be NDC for overwhelming majority na president to say NDC the court to see ko ye ekoye yi chief justice free wa na no so ko ye NDC it just say president Mahamadu Bawumia nominate to be a chief justice it just say me something nyina could do one side say court room put the to make say di one side because the time bia no o so mu di no kura mu gira mfimfini amami wanye sa no ye na some kra amencha ade bako Afenyo Markin tama speaker ka say o making a ruling no e wa na Afenyo Markin court anopo anka Supreme Court no on Mondays on trust Mondays and so Monday no dey asem no ko okoya no pa no and they control chief justice nim e ma no so asem no e ma o empanel ni pa metra say di asem no e ma o mo di asem no e ma the ruling by the same day the church said there be any papa nature so was taking the decision so ade o mo ye nature so no ankasa mu one de ka ho ta da koye to sha abu there's something wrong and no kwanu kwa be ka church says there's something wrong
sir ye de fru abedu ba bia ye duro yi a wo hwe a aye kwanabra we de court na we de afa ha na we de awura ha na we aka ne sei na saa de di mu abedu ba bia ye duro yi ena ye kasa kura na kame say chief justice na kasa nso e de ensemi akodan Supreme Court kro no ase committee amampani tie no nipa bi obu osusu se wo mo nsem fata se committee no wo mo tena so bie sansam na ba bonte no uhunu ni sai
enye papa na e chief justice ena onwo a committee a oche no wo awon kofo a so bia e betuma pasa ampa bi no wo mo mpamasam bi wo ha wo time for reasons no bra so say ni sani pa we want me mam justice say ni now they won't cousin there and now ka kosa now who say accuse you be say e do kokota nya wa we accuse now decide say they will do what some obi anu a wo to me so sadin wa we accuse now what decide say we move forward na ko ma make am we na kanu anu international kan yin ko yi now shani na bo said there's one underlining thing I say in some general asa if you can say holding on by a straw because adivia bit my defend you via home via what I saw by and koye and dami na so you na say I say or two you can't say throw everything at the case and I accept the kitchen sink now the kitchen sink no go the account to ana bia kasi bi ko pa obi trimana na no anas masa so ento to kosa holding over strong sanity o when you say na o de ko enimu but would be ko anyway just in case say e bia na BBS so now yes as now discredit to who discredit you because omo so won hwa asem omo say judge say wa sabi omo nyan kwatiafo na de obeka bia omo adi wachi now yes na say sabi some who na wo de ba eventually that is what is going to appear say it's a who kwa na wo de ba it's a bibia sa uni bibia de be kanti yo benye bia na adiko so what are you accused no una be kwa culture court no say the public hearing said it that the nimra who so now you chief justice at the end of mra so say some you need in public it didn't private in camera now who can say now ni mra say the can that na mentia sekra so e kwan bi no ogunu ho anima say so well I saw ni ma de no pa no una ka kan sem say what
and so say wo mo e ka say anka TJ and resign no wo no mo ya adwene
oh me ne o mo ya adwene pa because e bi akoduru e dey be you afu e bi aduru no dey we dey be you afu e bi nsem na beba no 1% e beba but be we aduru no there's no point a point of no return. And in things that over endure further embarrassment, is I not trust them. So if you crowd no more says, okay, may resign and person will become a some public. I'm not playing, I saw me a kind of public, but want to make the TV, I said, obviously, it's so because crime woman, and not yet, they have a responsibility. So I'm follow that crime now, we're key.
Yeah, sure. When the man say what in France, what you can say what you can hear say. Owa Godfred that me can say be say one more a year and the full 1 more year titiri o man no sorry enkasa. And osan kan say e kam here say asamu ya ye kan no adane amanyosem NDC4 adane no amanyosem na aban no me kan say adane amanyosem esan say lawyer for a etwitwa ade age petition ese no owa chachuchi katanom owura atade sorry nom ene voma wo nom no safo nyina ye known NDC4 enu nti no ya bade na ND aban na yade no partisan uhunu ne saa jo kan no saa na so kan no
enye no krema pacho wudem pacho pi we enya so common sense say aban ye NDC abaya do you expect to have NPP lawyers na Bediatuo na Bediatuo Abani ya NPP abai. Na fe NPP lawyers na defend the abana also NPP fongwa. Ofa NDC fongwa. Na dia so me nya say sabi nya sanim kra. Ani nyina che say why you desperate so ho. Because as I wo kai ka wan ka say so timi yi wa ho no. NDC abai no. E dia lawyers apostle CVP lawyers. E dia some makes no sense. It is to say, and someone can basa. Now we are saying now discredit to whom NPP lawyers and then one or damn discredit to in fact they cannot claim say you crew your papa and your product said so it's important. So damn you to be crankokoto, okay, a ban or disband from practicing law in this country. Who are we attorney general? I was uphold standards. Who mom now coach witnesses? What I say? Who now defending Chief Justice against the evidence when you cry, you young kind of will become handsome. There be evidence you cocaine now with the business the way the above didn't come handsome. We're saying yes, and it's a high, it's in Tianya. Now, what the young car cross Menka? Menkas and the banner was there in the prayer and saying in the prayer. So, it's the idea of Moya, and they are discredited themselves. I saw my desperate. So, it's the Ombenya Bia and Omdiama. Video here by say, Judges Biakusha restaurant for what? It was not about the Chief Justice. It was not about that case of Omukaze, it was about no cry. Just some video be now they have from the BB woman will be a genie because you have BB. Some no. You would be Nina be torture.
Ebinu kasa sadia nsam kwei dia ode ba mu sisi akure na nanka me ba so awa ode abai se sa video na ba bonten no okwan fa so ba na ya kwan pa fa so de ba na fe no chikura no eya ma se da kan no eya ma desperation bi eya abam se ne a ebinu besusu no no enti no onipo tu sa na mo no nanka so tu obeso be kasa eye bibi na aba na wa intercept video bi enti ono so fo se o share ebetumi aboa ama obi anso de nadwene akokofa be se anye bia asem ayekoi se ni no akwakọ duru sen se be bia yekoni enti anka onye mfumso bia eno so hu ne sen
wa eno wo ho but answer na we lawyer we obi a oye okanzem keke lawyer bia ye investigator so at least what you know say na wo say na dey na wo hwe no wo hwe mu no ibi wo mu a ekire se ni na ekoso ana question also will be someone. And it says, will be the body Ira, no copa crama bijan, no con baby, man. Na crama anybody and I'm here. And you're related. What I say. And you are just trying to waste. You want to bring some evidence. I need bearing beer on the case. And you're no correct. And just say, when crying, who crap so who is single for? Who percent or send of wagging? Who percent for 1 night before? So, then are you? Now, where yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be a boon. Don't go for the son of it. When you ask him, Fabia can't say, so, No, be so say, and as I say, no, Abano SEC NPP for no, the investigations now those. Missy, oh, I'm Pacho. What was Abano go investigate the NDC Buana, not CPP for. See, baby, a teacher of Buano, a one who Jano. No more was it can be a Cassius Iran. Why be only a question? Why hope near question? And yes, me. You see, Mungo Kajatia, I want a Kaniawo. The Kania was stadium. I want a official stadium one official, no Kajatia. Unless there were evidence there, your father cooking this Kajatia there, and you have a cockroach. And someone will get Kakano, Archie. Just the Ukrainian would you want, yes, and
to whom is your way chanting be a.
There be. This is what the government is supposed to do. Now, a government investigate NPP. Now, why don't we investigate CBV? And they are saying, why be an officer going and that's why investigate NPP Kakra, why investigate NDC so Kakra. None of us, and never mind what of. There be any answer. Yes, and you will come on to one thing is NPP for no, almost shady. So, the fact that will be your party member, no, and Chester abides why you're Bonia or so Cotanity. There be and Chester. Some no abano kani na say no crap ya no anko na de yon an no koye bonen na nya bibi na kacha on so di bonen so na sa abani mom o road hino na on maru crime man kana sem yi and the ultimate kabi approaching na Asante into but is a party ni bia koye basoza won't you send a party member be jani chi dindindi I want you you distance yourself from the truth. And someone buy no can so one can say you grow mudia. Then cost support no just all the work home until you distance yourself. Yeah, no matter what they also did it because of a party member. Party member is on your money. And some no. And in some no can and check it. And you put to here, I may catch your command idea. The trunk of focus a more flame. Radio station for no. Hey, she be cat more flame.
Are they?
Mechanism, maybe a mechanism, no question I make on. Mechanism on one person mutinti of Memphis. No crap, I make us.
Yes, I am fro.
There be Dr. Bad offer now, be trouble. It's a song make us. Me, I'm in one penny for a bicata. And then I'm going to say the same. Now, oh, tear she. And to come once and officer. More put on pay some time, I will lose you and national losing some Unquan and then cannot create. Now we are political party member and just the party be now general chief, there be yes and no. And you are the dear, I prefer to buy. They don't see any. Now Yajin is I dear pay. The Chinchina, the BCV agency, number choke. We look around in Yakas cousin. Do you require me, Jan? After I didn't have political party, I said, when you could grow and just welcome. I think.
And why NPP?
Oh, my Jan, no crime, and yet, may show letter now be visa, but today, Miss All Cat me say, MPP, me member. Because only and enemy cry, enemy crank, so I some no, and it mean to me. Ye crying.
Oh, what's a party for Frana?
My Makasa, I go so. A year when you want a crack, I will go so. Early yet. Then keep your move at once.
And Yakoba said, be an NPP paying for to suffer so. Dr. Makoba, and what the party is here check is answer moving no bedroom fair junior. I at you didn't what I saw a woman, Bojuma, Bepune. Oh, Bijamanin Kana, a sublime refia. And yan one no.
I can't quite one. Almost to me, can't someone who can see. Some can clear who can you because almost him say, I saw someone who can almost yes, sir. There has never been a time NPP form before on my friend say, Brandy and Kasana, they say, no. So I want to meet your office or a chairman to only mean you are no open way. Sort of want to meet you for company. So, thou. Your friend say a national phone, son of Minat. What took my say most minimum amakuto for or young baby Paco. Minimum say menene mienu was friend minia uko and uko south and then meko east we have ya na ekoyo nyeso obi na beka che se nko ebi ya de sika ne ahode na ya bo party because ya do party no enti san na o the party for no obi a pesika enti wa man sika dia onko kra mo misa sika mo misa no oba me fi ha ni sio sana ni asna makacha se mesro nyaki ya ne kakra de betuma ye bia o de ye ko kakra sa ende de wini so when we there may come some not say and ya some more petty affairs our own person. Oh, Asante no. So be put your part in the penny vieni. To me yama se me penny. Fine. This is canona obi a baby as canon no be up soko.
Dr. Makuba no pay ye beda se na answer we Akwama kono party no ye kwati constitution committee bi obi for makoku committee so mo hwehwe ni nti omudi nkugo no ama ehun sama omode report aba Dr. Bawumia so kwa ebo apro pachew said ye see no munyama ne kan nyama tetete saa na moto mienu yi no ugiri se enya de betumi aboma party na sansori gane na so biu
oh anka ye pa especially o pachew no na chopa no se party na di nkugo a ye ba ko for ne ko pachew penifo ni na party ni na ko pacho so na omo ye no krenim na omo ye ne sa aka be good na we dey no question e dey omo start omo ko thank you god to na mo ko to ba well uzu also be da wase o do ase so antro ma wana ase afa ye beti ase asesa afa dey Agyarko e dey asem ni se we ye we se because omo yes thank you to no na Bawumia kwa na eko thank you no let's say in the way no oye campaign for himself and the antenna Kennedy Agyapong so ojai yes sir let's say division na wo no eye weso ade na ma ye na wo samo ye na muka na muhwe ni ye na mo bodin kamo mu ba na Africa na ye wes e dey asem ni because nya no kure na bode ye ade no nya no kure ukase eni de na BC so ntumde because asumdwe ma party mda so yesa me type party no emo be bia we draw ne de no krenim be grand min enya jwa ntimi kra ntimi muticha ba ntimi
all right Dr. Makuba na no pe beda sipa na wo mre beda si bebre
unim about CJ in some way 10 minutes cry the dos mami ebo no tofa na uni nsem we nyina ebobo ba ekoro nyina no adisuan e wo mu no eno na esi nyina na ye de tu ye hofo na me de answer na meko into the details na me kan nsem no there are 4 truths in life or about life I think say as every leader piano is a guide your actions so will the power kakra sa no kore no wonamwa fa ball bra dedi kan and say
sa no kore say kire okwan
say kire okwan dedi kan no condition is permanent
from to hoda
2 tables do 10
emre
3 death is the ultimate equalizer.
Which mean like
Bediatuo Echa. And the last one. Tables to 10.
Can the second one?
I can the second one. Okay. So the first one tables do 10. No condition is permanent. And
death is the ultimate.
Death is the ultimate equalizer and silencer. And I believe that in a lesson at the Mayina, and no condition is permanent. Time changes also. When na make when na no ye and someone about between Tremunina yenina no ye bubu one ye counsel. When him say so far, baby, Madam Torkonoo, Chief Justice I suspended in some Nababidun. And then maybe a baba. Eya wo no mu ana wo question say nti we mu pa no mu ye judge si we mu na ya ekotena manimu a eya mu di yasem because some of the arguments I'm making now. Who baby are quite emotional theatrics. Like personal feelings be a nice and brano. Yen fan to and chain na send your pese yen cancer yen cancer half a mom. One Rita Chief Justice the lawyers for any on one casa. Mo file no. And some baku me nu wo mu a ye highlight ya me to me hu ni ti en san so hu ni nine. Die di kan Madam Torkonoo say 2 members of the committee Justice Bawumia ena Adibu Esiedu Ojidi say because of the experiences with them Ojidi say ombe bias nti no be ya kom omo rekisu omo ho ewo dwumadi edi ahye omo nsam na no na me bisa say Maami Torkonoo da ben pa na coming to this realization say eto da bi ni edi asem a ebi wo na so obi wo mu ebe hia say sa ni pa kro no nka on tena nchen me say aba e de bo techi no ye de bebo ba na sa agro no yen kan di wachi a ukwa na wo bo ho shiri say eyede wo be kai case ba ko a tade sorry na odi anim about vacant seat Bagwin e declare na say
parliament.
Parliament. Okay, say one of the justices Afenyo Gawu or your NPP former chairman a parliamentary candidate whole central whole west that just draw the attention of the bench. He said no Madam Torkonoo sa papa we our political inclination as affiliation to our interest was na ye can take a based on the track record in the past. Ye manu nji na ho me kakra wa asem we mu na what as Madam Torkonoo gaje no o si don't go there o say asem no kra de men camp ma na faba sum kra me personality and this same woman aba betina honom ka kire yen say onu di obi wo we ni so a onu ni nya adwen again asem ba ko Maami Torkonoo ka kire yen ni say Sasem we ya babidi obepe say ye be man public hearing
You TV
so
definitely
I see Begamiti I have no qualms or issues with say obe call for public hearing say yen yi no bi ahwe but onu aka say no matter how many noises you make
the law is
the law is the law Sasem we ya all ka we no any constitutional anchor it's not hinged on any law bia na obetimi aka say sa law we die eno na ebegina hwe uko article 146 amemnye lawyer at least law no constitution omukite ye to traffic mu so obia send assembly no obia to be kind
and ye trouble
or see all proceedings shall be held in camera. Now in camera no crano, oma etalize no. To create emphasis. I don't necessarily that will say. A non-negotiable, a order, a specific order. Any other say this is how the thing should go. Minimum how the frame is.
The wedding is not made.
The wedding is not made.
It's shall.
Now when you proposal Madam Torkonoo I think say the woman, excuse my French, she's why stressed out and then say why confused kakra, and I think say the proposal we now the right forum is or the Constitutional Review Commission committee na setting for constitutional review no e hopa na nkebe hian fa na asem we mu e fa kobat as we sit here sam re na yes sa no a yen otaya yen amendi yen no de ye adwuma no se sa na ye kodi amra no eno an ye be yusu no say esi in camera. Now imagine say you have somebody like that or ye judge don't you all of these things there is the man is shocking me Kran say, Madam Torkonoo, for somebody like her to even agree, say, birth certificate is not enough to prove your identity as Ghanaian Kran. Emma Semwe Muze no. Mami, no. Emrano. No. Ghana. This is the Ghana we have. Now, we certain way. So we share the conduct of a friend is Papa we Godfred Dami. I think say for the optics. Nanka beye say nanka Godfred Dami. On fa no assembly kra no ke say osi che. Because we ade we na ya politicizing no issues no be edu na say ya no politics. Oh, NPP akọ demonstration as if Chief Justice
it was all political parties. No, correction you also make all political parties.
Your party member.
All political parties.
PMP can home.
Yes.
Many other political parties can home. Yes, sir.
Engineered by who?
Oma politicizing asemnu enina emanda etie. Ya no NPP, NDC. Once NPP for nankasa kase lawyers are omudi petition says NDC lawyers. But they don't want us to say madam no so nkrofo edi na chi lawyers for amone ne bombo na chi dom no anso NPP for. Why? Hwe Madam Torkonoo me case we unzai or say or injuncti or at or injuncti say na be ya committee no kra no almost sit no kra no members so why lucky class say yeah expedited process no and na cost jojo me say kame wo other table no na kame obi bi anka by this time the case the be 2029 on one case watch president what kind of case between NDC and other political parties the electoral commission over election registration exercise.
Yes.
Mami wey she wasn't even there. No ni Ghana po. Ose mo ntwen me ba. Oba ye no date of so ko share ye no. O share date ni we registration exercise no kra no. Ye wie. Ni ye wie registration exercise no. E da kwa na mami wey won say ha say. Ministry committee no they should go ahead. Mo mo fi obia. They should do their work. They apu. Sebi. Society has say 11. This big issue na was Supreme Court ye can want some gidi. They went ahead to implement 11. They didn't care about say case be or court injunction whatever. Now mo say asem me kan no as it was in the morning so shall it be in the evening. Now there no we are for say no ahwe wo de. Boni amudi enu ebi no. Say ababe tetare omukomu asisia no ye di omubonu ni bi kakra no emra ni post say yo the same lawyer emra na asisa say the same emra no ukoti na wo yusu a omu pese omu sisa no ba izi oman we ma e say no me say me NPP ni me obi a me advocate for omu party no a dem ma be tactics be onu mu a nka be sisa no because on say sometimes you know say one kasa o come to self-realization say no adibi wonu mu enkoyi no achentwen so but dem mu ye still no ade na dem ko 38 na Ghana for bufu ya
42
okay whatever emo mu nya this abysmal performance we no still no omu jinamu emu sisa tactics no sa buga me time wa menifi na me wasa mangese me go school me kai kufo no more campaign enyum ya na NPP for bo na that's how nyum me papa de na me tia na atemo katoa so na me meka no o say kufo nyum yo mbo say the man with the vision to save Ghana the man with the vision kufuo je kufuo
na nchebo
iti edu baby no se me wo school a na papa ka kire me say won se nya nkofo no mo titi so no ma ben no me pese won yete so sana no ka kire miti MPP da e ka say intellectuals are being for nya safuo hey na caliber of people o mo party ni mo anyunyam wo mo no sisi a mo di atogata mo ya fu sisi o ma say anyunyam no
ade tira nkasa
because some of the things won mu a o mu ya you ask yourself say to what end sebi you Common sense krabeche say no ask for this one there. Mamu ko ho yen ka ho asem. Because asem we mama we etwi. Oh, say no mo problem in the beginning mama no ka say ye man no kwan no responding to the petition. Now or responding our pray no. Say see say okwakohia even saying committee no. Say amendment we man as or any issue be different from your body koya or can say because that's a proper interview na kasa no afensa wo kwa kuhia nkrofo hearing na kasa afensa wo kwa koye na me dey see asem we see kura no uni say on one hand maame no see the entire committee hearing no kura no should be a stop like yenjai. And then on another breath, or sound to see, in the public hearing. While see in Jay, also in the public hearing. I had in Jay now. I didn't know in sounds in the public hearing way. See, my man was stressed out. I think say on one can pull breaks.
Would you say Ebia? Sound Ebia? A 1 more 824 or man who said. Some of the 4 kwan we swa and they bet to me about. The 4 kwan we swa and they bet to me about. And so some almost use that. Sir, you know. I dey aboa said the bear no so no obetumi enya atwetwa de ho.
Oni see she has shot herself in the foot. I don't see one senior or why too boisterous the posture now or they engaging. I don't think say or no crown say you calling no back crown the colleagues in microphone now or call them out mo obetumi no menya any decent working relationship. And now you see I to say or no baby all headed towards now is a point of no return. Or no one say it's because so wouldn't pass some of the things one more wouldn't pass say you want to come back and why would you want to call for public hearing?
Why not?
Question.
No, that's a very good call.
A question will be sent to me. I'm
a very good call.
I'm from Mr. say Unia. Asami ya kan wa asama aka ba baby a bedru nie. Yan fan fe be owura Godfred da me kan say etitu o man no mu enkasa.
No correct.
Who is there? Eti true for no kan wasa one here for. 2. Or say
that Abrampacho, na ka milande na we ya na also na ka because good people good people should speak now na ka maybe end na. On say good people should or say good people should rise and speak. Say Godfred damity way pass, you see good people pass, some be honest na some be rise ya talk here. His license should be revoked to even practice as a lawyer practitioner. He wouldn't be in good stand. Only crack a general license because if we speak about the misdeed, the misconduct as an attorney general and minister of justice and an Akufo Addo, to the extent to say even you admit it, without recording or call to us evidence or case. Or catcher Japa say otchere ko baba so a obedin tro obeye niama asesa niama papa we say they rise me kasa and you see when they were gagging people omo gagging Ghana for omo rem na ye men kasa you see good people ni na ye din ye show omo come asem
afa na ye dey good people good people
divine good people of Ghana Indini so ka say good people for income Sembua
who are the thing na be say who are the good people okay wasem no and Osan can so say NDC the government no politicize the issue
yes
and see at the end of so they can politicize the issue. 2 is it because nipa obo omudin no omo ye renowned lawyers omo Ghana ha obi ti say Tadio sorry me nim say they can say Chief Justice any
onye member
onye member okra
oni card onye member
Tadio sorry bet make so NDC card be remember.
Sometimes circumstances beat me put you in a certain category.
And obi so make say Chief Justice so sign it here
dem so all right
enti aye hifua na obi ti say vomawo so CPP ni
by just mouth, but by deeds and action.
It is say no abana ye a lawyer for no asam na kokoye politicized. Na Ora Godfred Dame NPP no NPP.
Ora Godfred Dame or NPP.
Okay. Ya fe biti o.
Okay. Yera. Mamini enyoma ba ko mienu bia.
Me ya no the cost can say about time.
Lawyer Bekacho said there's a saying in law say justice must not just be done, but it must be seen to be done. Tying with Yamami Gertrude position I was taking. See, a cast I'm in church no tree kakra. Say, attently, any pepe. And yes, sir, ye gidi say a si. By bibia my who say, attently ni a siampa. Na pepe ye siampa. Mechin Ghana for doing a general mabiso. Obekaya, Asemidi can call court. Yes, suspend the Chief Justice. One day acting, you're about for Bonnie Meboa.
Okay.
On the acting Chief Justice. And the Chief Justice Robia on no play. In the first hearing in court, and a lawyer can say, oh, you're Mrama who kind ye, say we are acting Chief Justice no. Chief Justice in sense, you know, what's not so dear. Nanso, why wouldn't pay say you're Obian who benefited Chief Justice suspension apart from you. Because my meaning who acted. Pacho Timmy, Ghana from Pacho Muntimi pa. Any yes say, or Bafu Bonnie. What's not so ye? Because my meaning hunting now acting. Into your mabia be and sure say, my meaning ho. I say, Jacob Dankenya Sempa. Say, oh, na, Osina Nine. Only who ain't no Yadana Samoba, and so it's not to be.
What is the position of
please let me Jacob Nampacho honorable Pacho money in Casa. Make us say attently no and you say sikeke e say no men nyina there the prefer say attently ni hiding esi and a lawyer for catcher will say you raba for body mami semi e dan Supreme Court otina so bia enye yi adenti na enye yi oni ho no na benefit it naturally you are the beneficiary of her absence.
Okay.
So you can never be part of any determination in respect of her. And you're morally right, and you're socially right, and you're politically right. Sir, Asamoba, now can be, Oba benefit to Sobet Namubi. There have been about 3 rulings so far, Chief Justice in Sensing by. You're about for Bonnie, what's Nasubi. Besides, then, okay. Ning now, Kutia Chief Justice. Ning now, position you take Ibia, a Kuntia Mami Gertrude.
Just say, Mammy, asam no buy no, or not drink chile or said you who are someone. Be Chief Justice who no fano, as soon be under a drink. There be yes, I American. Miss say, see, I can say you're right, Bafuboni Chohu, one training. And the Chief Justice in Saint Diana Yedu or Supreme Court, or Timubi, Pano be or Mubi. And nipa 5 Chief Justice in Saint Kaining in our money, not in Mubi. Okay. Sani Payan soon I or acting Chief Justice, a Chief Justice in Hono, all benefiting. Okay. And when we say justice must just not be done by, it must be seen to be done. Ghana for me be some. Say Obia or be benefiting from the absence of Chief Justice, or Timubi. Ruling be a baby or you opposed to position of Obia or Chief Justice. No? Is this justice? Is this justice? Yera Bafuboni. Enyam rat say urikisi but morally, politically, socially,
morally,
it is demanding you do so. And it's a mamini who say onya tentiniya and yoma be and it's the entire okasa. Okay. Near to Mimbra Divine Hall. And no clear what kind constitution article 1468 no what kind send your car say ye tombi or wedim de there because assembly presser obenya constitution any idea na to when ye turn Ghana ko assembly press ye turn or traffic oh tie e honi baby a designated area opelo ho sensem bia obeko our constitution no e ka ho o kind pepe say all proceedings should be in camera but ye be say ho fees asemu buy from day one government functionaries in fact government appointees need Facebook radio almost realize it. Hey, petition is saying no we say no next week may the second one beba I have public domain arguments. In fact Yamame Chief Justice response crano almost signed the betuja and guess and conform lead this charge with government functionaries. It is in camera now you're divine can or no credit about bisa who say Jacobna bisa wetie for say why nanti asemi be why nan can be why nanti be honorable ha or be on the phone so all kind be petition na yes be bia all proceedings in camera be bia betuja be bia be dead
now who make am
how dey trouble.
Council, do we know if that is
please you let me finish let me finish it
me patch up mama
nka san we obia will be loyal to who will be it is the petition who will be
do you know if that
yes it is the petition who will be who will be me who be who be divine otchere honorable Agyapong to Agyapong who be
he's only confirming say
mama bia show the phone mama bia show
that's what he's confirming
the honorable phone ebi was so obemu aka
otchere o
otchere divine will be eno no kan on the phone so and the point is that yes, constitution say anka all proceedings related to Chief Justice removal no it should be held in camera and so be to one same be san emrane se and so aban mu crofo and dey abetuja
man pedi kan say be bra na or address or say eye ne ya say enkrata petition de bre ono esili ano a ode ema Chief Justice no efiri ni chen Chief Justice ho no akokopia bontite eye ono no ya because who say enkan se kokoba
and say basa because san emrane te enu to man penikra confirm me position it is Chief Justice ni say send yanka yesusu na anka constitution ehwehwe ni say anka bibia enya in secrecy bibia yenye no dem but bibia better bontin dia ne aka no so yenye wa bontin and it's a valid argument if a man penin receive a petition no wo dia better bontin o ministers o government appointees omu discuss Agyapong na obia obi woni phone so kroma say
nti aban mu fo nkwa na ewo
aban mu fo na di anim
na ayina response na ba ye no e hyase
eno so aban mu fo e na bituju aden because enye na oban penikra be ka say ededwei
dabi eno response no omu na de tuja aban mu fo na de tuja
oh unko bi no Facebook omu serialize this week or the way back next week not the way up
okay
enti proceedings ning na edabontin deda and my minister oh baby I do the any trust say lawyer boni it is not a bad argument on yes say or you be on the constitution in say minua divine e kan or say send we abono sa na nyumedu ayen no because aban mu penifo amudi mu pese muji no makoso suspend no mu di asem na betuja enti ni aka no yendi no abontin den enti yendi no abontin first and foremost ubisa me say enti petition na abontin eno ana Sanwema we nyina beboa say petition na ndc for honorable ka ho divine ka ho omo dia betu dwa omo discuss wa abontin no say ye biemu na say ye hwe no abontin a ye be ko say petition na Agyapong na ewo bi no eyampanu nie petition na Agyapong obi na eyampanie ana petition na divine obi na enye no anu nie enu mpo beboa for transparency because ye sorry be a petition ba ana anu ara da sorry a say dey enum as lawyer obeka a support me say yes me ensa enti menu na aka no we enti emunum no de kra na Chief Justice yes onyi ano enti ni yem biem na Ghana fo nyina hu say kwadu e de aboye ma Chief Justice no say na ti ampa no no so anu ye say na ti na okọ committee na nim no so no say na esi ho okase ne bone ne de Agyapong na ne bone ne de
obi aka so wa bone
there be divine can't be sa no mame ne bone ne de.
No, but you're talking about the fact that petition or public. How do you confirm the veracity of if any say
it is the petition? It is the very reason why we need to do it in openly so that we can confirm
Madam Gertrude Torkonoo.
And you Madam Gertrude Nti. Now Abemu Abemu pen for the two jams. Madam Gertrude.
After the woman requested the petition was not out.
The 10 admin wajimu 5. Into the 5 First and foremost, Pacho de my and do being time will be any paba.
Okay, it is one that do in one.
I say a party quo NDC, minim divine position, but some of the my minister or tankru will be say on the be any. Divine, and then this way we say, I didn't know. I didn't NDC for the brain. say identity na wakofa ira Godfred as a lawyer. Ebe obia or the right lawyer of choice of
nobody. Anyway.
Obia ni senior susu say lawyer bibe bon obi hold him say oh land case we lawyer we na make of no constitutional law case lawyer we na me enti ma many choice kra na dent na ye issue
na say ye ni mo sa dia and say Godfred am so koka say ade na ye political because of ebia nipa bi a omo lawyers for petitioners no they are known NDC for enti no enti na petitioners no so no wo mu ni hu kwan se beka say masem we lawyer we na me da na obetumi abo pe wasem a logic no say bidima we obetumi abo bidima obetumi abo and the same thing no so ye de na ono so ma men so obetumi abo ani
Jacob
na ke ye party ni sinche na show the professional Jacob
na one of the logic and he say o share cases a war Supreme Court for Justice Gertrude remove an ho Godfred am na lawyer
okay
until he is seized with enough knowledge enough circumstances of the case because answer all year as a forward no answer all the applications no or you be a animanim ya no kopelo afenyo ko kan biom because oye bi deda into a simple logic. It is not because he was a former attorney general, it's not because of his affiliation to the NDC or NPP or anything, because a simple logic is say lawyer bako the assemkrona court and I miss me person me the assembly friend because dan court it's not a simple logic say lawyer now or what case back where similar to mine. Me fa we ko Kennedy no. Na ma mini yes ya. Boni be no. Ma me no sanka say ade na obedwom dida. Enti mum yem biem na Ghana fo. Hwe de enti omum person mo yes ani say. Some of the content of the petition what can be? It is so frivolous that say babonti na Ghana fo hu say enti we na Yera Mahama any council of state ejina so yi ma mi ana. Enu no mu so.
So ka say ma kan bia me person me yi mi firi mu. E say ka say what can yeah, say my cancer men can before you that way petition be any so. And I said ebi am be can social media, my can be do social media. Say no na ye no cry say na petition say nya no me nim.
Honorable Nadian Mesendo after the program. Today mami let me summarize my 2 points. Say first and foremost, the woman feel aggrieved say she is not getting justice. Of course, all the cases now akono we pe bakuya odiko in her name, but all the other 2 cases or 3 cases no ono standing say ekoyi obe benefit and she's related to those cases into all right. Me as at now me ntia say me a lawyer ni Mr. Sompo a lawyer yeru abafo ni egusu ti asem ni so enya entwe ye enti say ma me say officially aggrieved that boni be no waye say wa obeye we direct beneficiary of her absence no ye the case ba now Asante so 3 applications
conflict of interest we have
big one
what can you suspend no akasa kra na dey benefit no person on call it Akufo be set on her matter is it a lie
divine removal of the chief justice is such a big thing. We should not treat it with case glass.
You are saying that Bawumia is going to benefit.
He is benefiting.
But woman nankasa time a case with petition you call against her no. Or no nankasa until say suspended no nankasa call it for Akufo better no
it was administrative duty. There be double stand. Lawyer Becca sure say emrem ye fair be doctrine of necessity. Say me na me wa kwanya say me ya. No matter the circumstances, no, and say bibia affect the right to do that.
Prevents him from.
At the time, deputy,
only who quite.
Our home council fata. Oh, Bible no, we are Christian. They say what the now kwenya the nyina fata. They say wo obia oni ho a wo na benefit wo sante na sem so.
No, somebody else run the room one was say.
There be anyam man
say, me say, na me say law school no grammar bre.
Because to divine to emraba and to was saying education. Because the TF no wa anya sa omontiase. Asa mo pese TF no tiase nti na Mohammed. Ne make ka TF no say. Here Mami Araba get to justice CJ no. Say odi areho woni mu a odi say odi areho woni mu. Any saying na say ma ba ye nipa ye yi no afri wo say onu hwekire na asem ne bo otimu bi. 3 applications akoso nyina so odi tia maame no. Eti say ba ye na dwen say maame ne say obeba pa de ensi. Biom
we jump to conclusion wo bra say bi e ba ne sa.
Oh na say ruling e ba out. Ojina baby ekotia maame no all the rulings ojina enti obi betimi alenke all the dots enti say maame no aggrieved that she has the right to be aggrieved. You discussing the petition ya kan ho sem ya krono e public domain enti afraid was ye nyani nyina public na Ghana fo ntie na sema eno de mu dwane afri ho why na that's as a to public domain yenya no bie
yo for we ne ensemo ababeto yepono so meka say so we subscribe to channel here bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo a wo so betimi akire wadwen afa ensemo we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti menka bim in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.